Leli damu elavulwa ngo-1969 lagcina ukugcwala ngo-2015. Izinga lamanzi kulo alikaze libe ngaphansi ka-6.5 wamaphesenti. Isivuno sesithelo sakusa olintshi nyakenye saba sihle kakhulu, yize izinga lamanzi lalihleli kwamaphesenti angama-20. Lesomiso seminyaka eyisithupha sishaye kwazwela.
The level of the Kouga Dam this morning is 6.55%, and we are not aware that it ever has been that low. The farmers, they are really going through a bad time. We have been starting to close farmers' taps because the allocation that farmers gets for a water year goes from the 1st of July until the end of June.
Lesimo sibeke engcupheni izitshalo zabalimi abaningi abangeke bakwazi ukuchelela izitshalo zabo. Kodwa abalimi baqhamuka namasu anqala. Abanye bazama amapitsi ukuze bathole amanzi, kodwa amanzi abawathola ngaphansi komhlaba awanele. Abanye basebenzisa izimoto ezithala amanzi ukwetha amanzi emadamini abo.
Obviously it was not like optimum producing, but we had to uproot it because we've planted young trees. Now we use this water to irrigate the young trees. So we've cut this block totally. So that will mean we'll have to cut some stuff as well.
Kunethemba lokuthi lesomiso sizoguquka phakathi kukaNdasa noMfumfu.